Hello and welcome to Excel Charts and Dashboard series. Imagine you have this data that shows total revenue and max revenue. Max revenue is calculated with the help of if and max function. And when you select any country from this drop-down list, this value gets updated. Now, you ask your subordinate to display this information in a chart. Your subordinate bring two type of chart. The first one look like this and the second one look like this. In your opinion, which chart display information better? I think the first one. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create this type of dynamic chart that updates on selection of values from your drop-down list or slicer in case of pivot table. Let's begin. First, we have to create a basic chart. To create the basic chart, I am selecting payment and total revenue, and I have two options. Either go to insert and from this chart group, I will select 2D chart. Second option, I can press Alt F1. To include the max revenue inside my chart, I just need to update the chart selection. Now we have to modify this chart. So for that, I am deleting my y-axis and inserting data labels from the chart elements. Now, since we have two series, max revenue and total revenue, therefore we have two data labels. I don't need the max revenue data labels, so selecting it and delete. Perfecto. Now, I also don't need these grid lines. Delete. And finally, I want to give a look to highlight the maximum revenue in these bars. For that, selecting the gray bar, that is my max revenue, right click, format data series, increase series overlap to 100% and decrease gap width according to your need. And finally, I want to include a chart title that updates automatically on the selection of values from this data validation. For that, select any cell inside your worksheet equals to quotation mark total revenue of space quotation mark close and select data validation cell. Now select your chart, insert chart title, select chart title element in your chart, go to formula bar, press equals to sign and select the cell where you have created the dynamic chart title. Enter. Modify the chart title according to your need. That's it. Now, whenever I select any value from my drop-down list, this chart updates, give me the maximum revenue and also display the country for which this information is displayed on the chart. If you like this tutorial, share it with your friends. Do let us know your feedback, your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.